Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Figma right here in Claude AI. So if you want to do this, the first step that we are going to do is go left in the bottom to your name and select right here settings. Then we go right here to connectors, and then if you can see, we already connected Figma right here. But if you want to browse to the connectors, we click on browse connectors, search right here for Figma, and then we click right here on the plus icon. Then right now they're asking us exactly this message. So now we click on agree and allow access. And then he is connecting right here Cloud. So then we do open Cloud. And there we are. And now you see right here that we connected Figma. So now if you go back, we can use Figma from here. And this is how you can connect Figma right here to Claude AI. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.